Hello and welcome to another episode where we dive into the best way to manage your money and stay financially free. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's go. Hello, I am Irene, your guide to mastering your finances. Today we are cracking the code on never going broke with some essential cash management tips. Step 1 is understanding your cash flow. Track every dollar that comes in and goes out. This visibility is your first step toward financial control. Next, set up a budget. Allocate funds for your needs, saving, and yes, even for some wants. And remember, a budget is not a constraint, it's a roadmap to financial freedom. Review your expenses. What is necessary and what is not? Cut the fat, but keep the muscle. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Start building an emergency fund today. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund is your financial safety net. Investing is not just for the rich. It's a tool for everyone. Start small, think big. Diversify your investment to spread risk and maximize return. And regularly review your financial plan. Life changes, and so should your budget. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. There you have it. Simple step to never go broke. Implement these tips and watch your financial health grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay saving. Check out my other video right here for more tips on managing your money like a pro. Bye for now.